Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve theme party chip bag. It will be on my website to purchase if you like. If you are on my Patreon page, these images will be posted up. So I already have my custom nutrition facts in here, and I've already got my images over here that I'm going to be using and seeing what I'm going to do. So first I'm going to go to insert shapes and of course the rectangle. Let's just go ahead and do an all black background. And we're going to go ahead and send this image back. The nutrition fact, not the nutrition facts, the barcode. Okay, there we go. Make sure that you guys put your your logos. Oh man, don't want that. Your logos and everything on there. Okay, so I got that. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay, that looks nice. I like it. Alright, now let's go ahead and add in some, I have no idea. See what these look like on the back. Are you in on the front? No, let's put these on the back. Nope, don't like those images. Let's see about this. Okay, I'll keep it. I'll keep it. Okay, so the words. What the heck do you even put up here? New Year's Eve party. Okay, so let's put New Year's Eve party. Is that what is it? Ring in the new year. Celebrate New Year's Eve party. New Year's Eve. Okay. Cheers to the new year. I like that. Cheers to the new year. Let's go to insert. Let's do cheers in a different font like they did. Goodness, it's gonna take me. Nope. I'm just gonna use the one fancy that I know. Let's do white. That way we can we can see it. Moving this the wrong thing again. Let me see if I got this like in the middle. Where's my red line? See if we can do an outline in like maybe a gold color. Alright, that helped. That helped a lot. Okay. Insert cheers. Did they capitalize it? No. Let's change this. Let's bring this down some. Alright, okay. Alright, let's add let's put a border in here. Yeah, let's, you know what, I'm just gonna take this black all the way down. But I am going to insert a really thin shape fill. No outline. Copy and paste it up here as well. Okay, so that's what we got. Let's insert. I'm still not quite sure what to say, but okay. I'm going to crop this down. There we go. Now that looks a lot better. Alright, I think I'm going to stay right here with, yeah, I think I'm going to stay with this. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to stay with this. Okay, so that is, I guess the design that I came up with, but, you know, if you go to Google, there is a ton of designs. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. The link to this will be in the description box. Happy holidays, everybody.